Chapter 6, Schedule 1 Controlled Substances. Clinic Use Schedule 1 Controlled Substances. The Title 21 CFR 1301 requires the Department of Health and Human Services to review the comments on the scientific merit of the studies of the qualification investigators conduct with the research of the Schedule 1 Controlled Substance drugs and to report the information of the DEA. Title 21 U.S. Standard Code 510 redelegates to the FDA Commissioner the function of determining qualification competency of the investigator wishing to conduct research controlled substance drug. List of Schedule 1 mayors of the research protocol of the Commissioner assigned with the responsible for the controlled substance staff within Center Drug Evaluation Research with the reference of the include with the Controlled Substance Act of 1970 as amended and for approval to use Schedule 1 controlled substance, the human participant protocol must be submitted for review and approval of the outline of the FDA-regulated investigational product with statement that security of the audit with the control of the division. Schedule 1 control of the substance of the must accompany with the protocol. Initial new drug submission for the example of the investigation brochure with the description of the security requirements. The initial new drug sponsor must provide with the investigation following statement that hereby certified with the date of the pursuing of the Title 21 CFR 355-1, Title 21 CFR 133-1, name and address of the initial new drug sponsor of the submitted investigation on the new drug application for drug administrator for the new investigation of drug with the date and the signature of the applicant. Statement must be forwarded triplicate with the investigator along with the DEA form of drug enforcement administration certificate of registration to the drug enforcement administrator of the Department of Justice P.O. Box 28083 Central Station, Washington D.C. 23883. Non-clinical use of Schedule Controlled 1 substances. In order to conduct the non-clinical animal research of Schedule Controlled Substance, the investigator must submit the DEA Form 225 along with 3 copies of the research protocol for the Drug Enforcement Administrator for the Department of Justice, P.O. Box 28083 Central Station, Washington, D.C. 238. 8083. Research protocol must provide the following information: investigator's name and the director of the current DEA, Drug Enforcement Administration registration number, if an institutional affiliation, research qualification, investigator include curriculum vitae, and an appropriate list of publication titles, study with the statement of research purposes of name and amount with the controlled substance involved, the description of research include the species with the numbers of research animals, doses to be administered, with the route with the method of administration, duration, project location, research will be conducted, statement of security provisions for storing conduct controlled substances in order to prevent diversion, proof of the institutional approval to conduct the research and education over the improved funded granted if any of the investigator also comply with the provisions Army Regulation 4030 Secretary of Naval Instruction 3900 38 AF Air Force Man 401 DARPA Instruction 18 USUH Instruction 3203. And that completes the chapters for Army Regulation 47, the Medical Services of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration Regulatory and Investigational Product Human and includes Schedule 1 Controlled Substances, unclassified. And then we'll look at the appendixes. We have appendix for references and publication sections, prescribed forms. Appendix B, control investigation, drug use, treat patients, moving using Army medical centers and medical department activities. Appendix C, medical devices. Appendix D, management control test checklist. And that's the rest of the manual, other than abbreviations. And wait, we got one more here. Section 2, terms. And that completes the U.S. Army Regulation 47, use of U.S. Food, Drug Administration regulated investigational product human includes Schedule 1 controlled substances.